Okay, the wheel dilemma. This is just some of the stuff I've gotten together and amassed to somehow put some 17-inch spoke wheels at the right width and to make it work with those forks, this rear end and everything. Ordered a hub for a V7 from Moto Guzzi. Came red, not this red. I had to strip it, send it to Dusty at DC overnight. He powder coated everything. I machined out here, I've machined out this side to take a bigger bearing, which it needs for the V9, bigger than the V7. And what I did just to make sure, I'm doubling up my bearings here, give it a bit more load bearing on that side. So that's going to work. But I got another problem with that, which I'll address in a minute. The Piaggi box. I've unpacked some of it already. Individually wrapped fresh nipples and individually wrapped spokes. So I'm keeping it, for the most part, Moto Guzzi. Why do they individually wrap each nipple? Keep them fresh, maybe, for the final consumer? I don't know. I like it. It's a nice touch. I've got all that. What I want to do, get rid of this black here, so I'm going to get rid of this on the rotors, polish the centers, because I have so much time on my hands. Got parts from all over the fucking place. This is a, I think late 90s, early 2000s, Moto Guzzi front wheel. This was a an 18, I wanted 17, but I worked it out. I took this hub, this is the hub that I faced off, then I robbed the spokes out of that, which should be the right length, because this is a drop center, to go onto this, the ID aluminum rim of the right width, 17 inch, that I got from Prince Albert, Canada, believe it or not. Just waiting on one rim now. Guys from USA out in California. Josh, thanks a lot. I bet you I see it in a little bit. According to my tracking, I'll have it soon. So we'll start putting the fucking wheels together. It'll roll soon. The one problem I have, even though the V7 hub, because the V7 comes with a spoke option, whereas the V9 doesn't, so kind of limited there. But they do have the same push drive. Unfortunately, the V7 hub is an inch narrower than the V9 hub. So I thought, okay, I'll shift it over and space it over, but what that did with, when I tried the V7 wheel, it put the whole rim over here. Then I thought I'd make a little drive dog to drive from this push drive to the hub. A lot of machining. If I have to, I'll do it. What I may be able to do, I hope so, if I build the wheel, if I've got enough thread to make it safe on the spokes, I can move the whole rim over one side, get that into the push drive, and just space all the braking across. Sounds fucking complicated, doesn't it? Then I got to deal with the front, but I got the brakes lined up for the front. I just got to get the wheel together. Wish me luck.